We're at the Yarraville Festival 2020, like a community jamboree kind of a thing. It's awesome. This is kind of like the neighborhood we would like to live in one day. We've always wanted to live here, Teejay and I. And now we've got the little ones, they're over there. Thanks, brother. All right, have a good one. Just got some barbecue skewers. Looks real good. Oh, TJ's stripping.
No, get this first, dude.
These are the barbecue skewers. They look great. How is it? How is it, Zoe?
$5 tandoori.
Hi!
You're not allowed to take a photo of that? No. Okay. Only plastic cup.
Look at you.
I'm not here.
Oh, mama got it. Oh, that looks good. Just got some Indian food. Here we go. Love it. It's too spicy for the boys.
What? What do you want?
Just chilling in the shade right now. TJ went to go see if there's anything else for the kids. I'll let you know. The beer's good though, and cheap.
Yeah, babe, there's like a jumping castle and stuff there.
We found a jumping castle. We found the thing for the kids. Here we are. Let's go check it out. You're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
You gotta wear my hat because your hat's in the car. Okay?
Why?
Your hat was in the car.
Why?
So we forgot it in the car, okay? What do you want to do? You want to go jumping castle? He's a baby. He's a baby. Say hi, friend. Hi. Chicken. Come on, let's go see what else they have.
Oh, let's get one of me and you.
I'll give you a photo.
Hi, guys.
Cup? Okay, I can get that for you. I'll get something here. I don't need cash because it's $10.
I've got cash.
Save it.
All right, we've got our first casualty. Kai just threw up on me. TJ says you can't really tell, but that's some of the drawbacks of being a dad. By the way, shout out to my brother's girlfriend, Boop, and her brother, Mike, at Fit Gym in Alamitos, I think, supporting Australian bushfire relief funds. Right, Kenzo? Yeah.
It's a milkshake.
Milkshake, huh? Mango?
Yeah.
Mango milkshake. Is it good? Very good? It's good.
Yeah, I've been here on a play date with Tennille and Marikai.
So Yarraville, that's like our favorite little family neighborhood, I'd say. TJ and I always wanted to live in a place like this because we used to live in a place like this in Long Beach when we were out there. It's very expensive here now, very gentrified. But one day we hope we could have a little house here. That'd be awesome. Still close to the city, but a bit of quiet, nice little arts hub, nice mix of people, good vibes. What is that?
A little bit more holistic hippie culture out here too.
Really loving this shady spot under the trees. It's beautiful, and it's very hot today. I don't think we were expecting it to be this warm, but it's beautiful with the leaves and under the tree here. You do a dance? Just to the bottle shop. Comida de mexicano. Aquí. Oh, thanks, man. Not bad, pretty good. Just stuck down the street real quick so Kenzo could have a play at the park. It's really nice here, huh? Yeah. There he is.
Go down. We need water.
Oh, it's stuck.
We need water.
Just try and see if there's another toy you can play with.
All right, we're all done. We're gonna head home now. It was a good festival, wasn't it? Yeah. Got some ice cream on the way out. Yeah, it's good to take the kids out. Thank you, PBS, because I heard it on PBS just the other week that there's a free Yarraville Festival. So, yeah, this is our favorite neighborhood. Look at these cool little houses on this cool little street. Conveniently located right outside the city. One day we'll get here, maybe. All right.
Kenzo goes to play group here.
Yeah, Kenzo goes to a cool play group here. So, yeah. All right. So, thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time for more family adventures as well. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.